Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this Athr Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. So Athr Beauty is a brand that I've been wanting to try out for years now. I heard the founder of the brand on the podcast Natch Beaut, and ever since then I've been so interested in this brand. I love that it's all about sustainability and it's vegan, cruelty-free, crystal infused eyeshadows. So just so unique, and I'm so excited to finally get to try this out because I got it in my August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X box. So this palette retails for $58, which for me is expensive, but I'm so glad that I got it for such a great deal in that box, which if you have not seen that box yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. So these shadows are infused with organic coconut oil for smooth application, rose quartz to illuminate the eyes, sapphire crystals to promote well-being and focus, and they're housed in fully sustainable packaging. So just so unique, so fun and exciting. The packaging looks beautiful. Ooh, came with this, I don't even know how I would describe, like motivational card that is very beautiful. And then here is what the product looks like. Seriously, one of the most beautiful packaged products I've ever seen in my opinion. And then the fact that it's 100% sustainable. So here is what it looks like. And I am so excited about these beautiful colors. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of them. It looks like they're primarily shimmery because they do have crystals in them. So let's go ahead and swatch like this one. Oh my gosh. I think these are going to be so pigmented. Wow. Let's also get this green. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yes, extremely pigmented. They definitely have more of a dry texture rather than like a buttery, creamy texture, but that does not make them any less pigmented. Like, that is very impressive. So maybe there are a little bit more matte shades, but then some gorgeous shimmers. But wow, I'm actually super impressed by every single one of these swatches. Here you can see what those look like. Okay, so I'm trying to wipe away the eyeshadows from my fingers, and I do notice that the blue, the more matte blue, does seem to kind of stain my finger. Like, it's coming off, but definitely a bit harder to remove. So I think it's best to use an eyeshadow primer with these. But also, I'm using this LaRousse makeup remover round, and I wanted to just give a little update on this because I got this in, I think, BoxyCharm Premium this month. One of my boxes from this month. And it works to remove makeup, but it's so soft and fuzzy that it like sheds. So I'll end up with fuzzies on my face wherever I'm using this. So that's like the one thing I don't like about this is like how it sheds, which is kind of weird. I haven't had that happen with a reusable makeup round before. But so, speaking of primers, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm gonna review these eyeshadows with and without an eyeshadow primer. So only applying this to one of my eyes. I want to apply it to both of my eyes because I don't want to stain my eyelid, but I just think eyeshadow primers can make such a difference in how eyeshadows look and perform. So I really do want to see how this is with and without a primer. But so just blending this from lash line to brow bone. And so I like to start out with a brow bone highlight, and there's not exactly the perfect shade for that. This palette is definitely missing a lot of the essential shades for like a daily complete go-to eyeshadow look in my personal opinion. So it's going to be a little bit more colorful than what I would probably normally do. But so For the highlight, I think I'm going to take this silvery shade. And from the swatch here, we see how intensely pigmented this is. So I'm just going to use a little bit because I don't need it to be full opaque pigmented color on the brow bone. I just want to give that glow highlight. Ooh, that actually looks great. Although even just a little bit goes a long way. But look how brightening this is in that inner corner as well. Ooh, so fun. Wow. Very impressed by the first shade that I'm using here. And another great thing about this palette is that every color is cohesive and they're all gonna look so good together no matter what shades you're using. So to start out with my crease transition shade, I think I'll go in with this pretty purple right there. And just picking this up on a fluffier brush. Gonna blend this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's so bright and like ultraviolet. Oh, I love that. I am so amazed by how pigmented these shades are. Immediately right off the bat, as soon as I touch the shadows to my eye, they are so pigmented. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this shade of purple. Gosh, I just love the brightness, the sheen that it has. It looks so neon. And it's super easy to blend. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see all these colors on my lids because I love these shades. Next, I'm going to pick up a smaller brush and go into another purple shade. I'm going to pick up, I think I'm going to pick up this one to be, ooh, that one had a lot of kickback, but I'm going to put this right into the crease and focus that here. But oh my gosh, I'm loving the look of these two purples together. This one, no surprise, is extremely pigmented as well. This shade is definitely blendable, but it's a little bit harder to blend out. I feel like it's just taking me a little bit longer to get that smooth look that I was able to get from the other purple shade much easier. I think I'm going to be sticking with a purple look because I just keep looking at all the different beautiful purple shades that I just want to reach for. So now I'm going to pick up this darker metallic purple and I want to use it with my finger and press this into that outer corner, and oh my gosh, seriously just lightly tapping it on my lid. It's full foiled opaque color, like incredible color payoff. Wow. And so this is the eye that has the primer on it. This is the eye without the primer. I am seeing absolutely no difference in how the eyeshadows look. Both are so incredibly bright and pigmented, which to me really proves how amazing of a formula this is because there's no need to use a primer to amp them up anymore. Like, look at the beautiful colors going on right now. I love it. It makes me so happy. And of course, I have to use the pink sparkly shade on the rest of my eyelid. This color looks so gorgeous. And I think it goes perfectly with the rest of the colors on my lid. Oh my gosh. I love this. I just love all the brightness, the color, the different tones, the sparkle. It looks so intricate, but since these shades are so incredibly pigmented and pop so much, it's so easy to create such a beautiful combination. And just blending it all together. This shade is beautiful, of course super pigmented, foiled, and it has a little bit more sparkle shimmer to it. So I just love all the different textures going on, and like I said, like these shades look so cohesive and perfect together. And now I'm gonna pick up a small brush and just finish off the eyeshadow with the lower lash line, and I think I wanna try this one here. This looks so beautiful, kind of like a silvery purple with maybe a metallic finish. Let's see. Oh yeah. That looks beautiful. So it's nothing too dark on the lower lash line that's going to close my eye, like make my eye look smaller. I like to keep it a little bit lighter, brighter, and when there's shimmer on the lower lash line, I just love that even more. So I think this is a great color to finish off the look and pull it all together. Beautiful. Okay, so here is my finished eyeshadow look, and I love it. The colors, the sparkle, everything about it makes me so happy, and I am just seriously blown away by these formulas. Like, I can't wait to continue playing with this. I want to try out the blues and the greens more, mix the purples and the blues and the greens together, but for a purple eyeshadow look, this is absolutely amazing. And I actually find this to be very wearable of a look. I kind of thought, based off of all of those colors initially looking at it, that it wouldn't be the most wearable palette for me to do a complete eyeshadow look from, that I would actually just like wear out, but I love this. I'm definitely going to be wearing this out today, and I am so excited about it. Like, I just feel so beautiful and confident in it, which is, I think, the ultimate goal of an eyeshadow product. Wow. So if you've tried out this Athr Beauty, it doesn't actually say the name of it on the palette, so that's a little tricky. I guess I'll have to keep it in the box to know which palette it is, but the Moonlight Crystal palette. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And if you've tried out any other Athr Beauty products, I would love to hear your thoughts and recommendations, because I definitely want to try out more from this brand, and I really hope we get more Athr Beauty products in Ipsy. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.